Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a cook with me video. I haven't done one of these in ages and I'm attempting to make lasagna for the first time. I've never made this before and I was like, maybe I should video this. Maybe it's not a good idea, but you know what, we're just gonna roll with it. If you're here to see how lasagna is made, maybe this is not the video for you. I'm sorry, it's not because I don't know what I'm doing. I've done a little bit of googling just so I can know what ingredients to buy, and I'm not going to be making anything from like scratch because it's just too much time and my kitchen is not that big to be making stuff from scratch. So I went grocery shopping yesterday and I bought a few things. So I got like tomato sauce and I got like white lasagna sauce, and I just lay up like my seasonings here. So black pepper, oregano, paprika, some chili flakes, also have garlic here along with some mixed herbs and some thyme, and I also have some tomato puree here. I got some extra tomatoes, and we've got our lasagna sheet along with some beef, which I already took the beef out of the fridge, which is here. So I wanted to do like a meal prep type of thing because I've been spending too much time cooking throughout the week and I don't like that. And when I'm telling you that, when I'm cooking, it's taking me ages. Sometimes because I'm in the kitchen for too long, I cook and it's time to shower and go to bed type of thing. And I was like, girl, no. Since it's like one meal, I will able to make a lot type of thing and then kind of just have it there and then eat as I go for like lunch and dinner until I get tired of it. Hopefully it served me for a while, so that is the whole idea behind it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I said let me just vlog and show you guys, you know. So I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start making the beef and then turn the oven on maybe like halfway or so, and then we start with the lasagna sheets. I'm gonna start by making my beef. Like, I'm not a fan of this frying pan, but we're just gonna go with it. Also, I'm not gonna be turning on my hob. Yeah, I'm just gonna probably open my window halfway or something because I don't want the hob to be making too much noise while I'm like filming for you guys. So let that go on, warm up a little bit, and then we can go ahead and do the beef. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and like chop my tomatoes and stuff. I have like a tomato sauce, so I don't need a lot of tomatoes, so maybe like that much type of thing, and then I will just chop them up like small. Let me just put one there. Also, these knives, I got them from Amazon. I really do love them, especially because they come with like the protecting case as well. Sometimes I find that when you go into the drawer, you just kind of pull stuff up, at least the protective case is on there, so you're kind of like, you're not gonna cut yourself type of thing. So I really like those. Also, they're very sharp. I have them linked down in the description there on my Amazon storefront underneath the home section. I think I'm just making the oil hot like a little bit. The other day I bought some beef and I was gonna make like a bolognese type of thing, and the beef that I bought, it was like 18% fat. And when I tell you that, I still don't know how to shop for beef. Yeah, maybe I should just Google it or something. And when I tell you that, oh, this will get too hot. When I tell you that the beef brings so much oil, it was crazy. I literally couldn't eat it. I ended up having to throw away my mincemeat, and it was just such a shame. Like, it literally covers all the bolognese sauce, which was like, I was so annoyed that night because I was so hungry and I was looking forward to having some nice spaghetti bolognese type of thing. So if you guys know like how to shop for like mincemeat, then please do let me know. This one is 10% fat and it seemed to be fine when I buy this one, but sometimes I just wing it, you know, just like I was winging it the other day, and it literally wasn't the best meat. I'm gonna add some seasoning now. So I'm gonna be adding some garlic, some oregano. I'm gonna add some mixed herbs, a bit of chili flakes, some paprika. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme. Why do I sound like I know what I'm doing? Girl, you better. Honestly guys, I have like the best day just relaxing today. I was like, you know what, let me just take things slow, and I literally just have like a nice self-care day. I sat on my sofa, I watched a couple podcasts on YouTube, I read my book, and it was just such a nice day. I think that sometimes I just get up and I rush to do things, and then half of the day is like finished already and you're like, what did I do type of thing. But today was so nice. All right, I'm gonna add my tomato puree. I'm gonna add like that much. I'm gonna add the lasagna sauce. Oh, I love that sound. I'm gonna add that much and then go to bed. Oh, I need to stop boiling my water for my sheets. So when this is going to simmer down, then I can do that. So it's time to start making my sheets. I have like this big old pan here. So I'm gonna make the lasagna in here. But I'm not too sure how many sheets I should use. So what I'm gonna do is just measure the bottom height and then we kind of decide from there how many sheets I should use in the pan. These literally fit like perfectly at the bottom here. So it's like 1, 2. Oh wow, these literally fit like perfectly. Well, I could do it like another one like that. So let's see the other way. Not really. It's just missing like a little piece. But we'll make this work. I think I will probably need like 9 of them. Yeah. 3, there's a 3, there's a 3 up at the top. About 9. We're gonna do 1 for extras. Just in case. You just never know. I'm gonna use 10. I'm gonna get the water. I'm gonna just use, whoa, I'm gonna use the hot water from the pipe. The hot water in this pipe is like very hot. It literally like burn me sometimes. So I'm gonna use the water from here. My water is already having some tiny bubbles in there, so I'm just gonna put this in the meantime. I'm not gonna make them cook like fully, only because I'm gonna be putting them to the oven as well. So yeah, maybe this is not the right part, but this is what we have. Also, I don't want them to break. For the sheets, what I know is that you shouldn't let them cook too much. What I don't know is how long should you let them cook for, or what the consistency should feel like when you make them boil for. So that I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with my gut. I'm gonna kind of feel it and then I'm gonna take it out if it's like okay, because I'm not too sure how cooked it should be. To be fair with you, because I'm not too sure how much cooking it's gonna get in the oven as well. Ow! Fuck. Ooh, this motherfucker. Why is it boiling up like that? Shit, it burned me. Didn't even look like it cook. I don't even know. This look like it cook. Ouch. Boy. Brother, calm down. I think this is cooked now. How soft should it be? I'm gonna go with my gut. I'm gonna take these out. Listen, I'm making a hot mess. I'm burning myself. I'm throwing stuff on the ground. It's just not going well. As soon as I said the liquor day, I go good. They mix that D in one remedy. Oh, frig man. So my beef is finished cooking, so I turned the stove off, and my pasta sheets, I'd like to hope that they're finished cooking as well. So I'm about to like lay everything. Also in terms of like my cheese, boy, should this be wet? Girl, I don't know. I'll show you the cheese that I'm gonna use in a bit. Let me just lay the bottom part of this. Some beef now. I missed that little feeling when I kissed your face. I was feeling so warm, now I'm feeling so cold. Can you come and hold me? I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain replacing your face. I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain replacing your face. So in terms of like my my cheese. I wish I have like some more cheddar, but I have mozzarella cheese and I have like a little bit of cheddar left. With the other one there. That don't tell me that. I think maybe I have 2 bites. But I only have one. What's this? This is cheese. Anyways, I have like the smallest amount of cheddar left, which I'm just gonna sprinkle on top. But it's mostly like mozzarella cheese. I do love cheddar because I think it just give it that flavor, you know. You just have that taste. But I'm just gonna use the mozzarella and hope for the best. We don't have any parmesan. I wish I have that. Do I not have any parmesan cheese? No, we don't have any. That's okay. All right, let me just use what I have. So it's alright, fighting when I don't like, dying, let it go. Yeah, let it go. 10 toes in my bankroll. I realized that I made 9 instead of 12. I definitely need 9. So I'm gonna have to make some more pasta sheets, which is okay. I'm just gonna put this on top, layer it, and then I'll go ahead and make some more pasta sheets. Where was my math? My math really wasn't mathing.
Since we last spoke, baby, you were so cold that you drove me crazy. Don't know where to go, lose control, think I need to let it go. Yeah, let it go.
I have a good feeling about this. I have a good feeling. I got a feeling. Why does camera look like this? Why does it look like it's got a filler on? Anywho, something is wrong with my camera settings. Something's wrong with my camera settings. Don't know what it is. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put this in the oven now and really looking forward to it being finished. So my lasagna is in the oven and I literally can't wait for it to finish. I'm so hungry, but I'm gonna let that stay in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna be checking up on it because I don't want anything to go wrong. So give it maybe 30 minutes, check it. If it's good, then 40 minutes. Online they said to leave it there for 30-45 minutes. No, to 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm gonna see how that is, and yeah, I'm excited. I wish I had more cheese to go on top though, but it's fine. Look at her, just thriving in there. So we're gonna make that cook, and I'm gonna just relax while that do its thing. I'm probably gonna have some veggies on the side with it. I have like this veg, so I'm gonna probably have that on the side. Once it's done, I'll show you guys and I'll let you guys know what the taste is like. So I have my lasagna in the oven for maybe like 30 minutes now, and I've been peeking. I had to take it from the top of the oven and put it at the bottom because I think it was getting a little bit too brown, and I think I'm gonna take it out now because it looks like it's finished cooking. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna make it cool a little bit and eat because I am starving. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the oven. I'm gonna let it stay for a little bit, maybe like 20 minutes, just to like cool down before I start eating. But guys, it looks so yummy. I don't know if I let it stay a little bit too long, but that's fine. I think that's how it meant to look anyway. I think because when I look on some recipe, that's how it looks. So super excited about that. So I'm gonna make that stay, and once I'm ready to cut, taste and all of that, then I'll let you guys know. Also, every time I go into the oven and I have this necklace on and I open the oven, it burned me. Yet still, I always go into the oven with the necklace on. But because it's like metal, so it kind of like burn a little bit, but it doesn't leave any mark or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna set maybe 20 minutes Alexa, no. She is too. Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Sorry, that's not me. It must be a case of mistaken identity.
Shut up. Siri. Oh, Siri's so dumb, literally. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Jesus Christ. Hey Siri. Can you set 20 minutes timer, please? So dumb. Every time I call her, sometimes I lose my phone and I'm like, Siri, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? And she not say nothing. So annoying. She needs to be a little bit smarter. I'm gonna pay too much money for her. Anyways, we're gonna let that stay for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes since I set my lasagna to cool. Now it's time for me to cut her. I think I'm gonna use the pizza thing. So I'm gonna cut it like that, basically. And then do it like 3.
Ten toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty, I'm in Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know. Ten toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me?
Now that the lasagna is finished, I'm gonna do like a taste test. I'm definitely gonna be taking on more, guys. Like 100% gonna be taking more out. This is really good. You know what I forget? I forget to add sugar. I know in some of the recipes they said add sugar. That's what I forget to add. But this is really good. For my first one, this is really good. I don't know what I'm missing with the sugar, if I'm missing anything, but I love this. Something with my camera setting, guys. I'm not saying this because I made it. This is so good, and I'm here to get like another round. I have like this much left in there, but I realized that I didn't take out my veggies. So I'm gonna get like another round and then do like my veggies. But this is literally like just so good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely sleepy after that. Finish my meal and I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm watching Normal People and I'm gonna just relax a little bit. Probably gonna have to drink some tea. I probably had a little bit too much to eat. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't need that extra one because it only like overfull me. But that's because I was really hungry. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this cook with me. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, leave a comment down in the comment section below and let me know. And I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.